Well. Maybe you're wondering why all this. So I want to mention this. HIKVISION has a conventional fire alarm system. HIKVISION has an addressable fire alarm system. But why do we have this? We call it the wireless fire alarm system. Imagine you already have a construction, civil works has been done, initial design didn't have any cabling for the fire alarm system. You can still get the wireless system called the LoRa system. In this system, you'll still get a wireless smoke detector, a wireless heat detector. Let me put that aside. What else do you get? You'll get a wireless manual call point. You'll get a wireless sounder strobe. So you're seeing, I've mentioned the inputs, I've mentioned the output. Again, in any alarm system, we'll definitely need the control part which goes to the gateway. So why have I done that? Because I want to show you a quick operation of this wireless LoRa series fire alarm system. Of course, the smoke, the heat sensor and smoke sensor. Then we have the gateway. You see now as we speak, the gateway is operating in normal. I can manually trigger the fire alarm, and then it will trigger the siren. Then I can reset that. That is manual trigger. So you want people to evacuate, you can directly do the trigger from the gateway. What else? Now let's test this alarm, the manual call point alarm. So this is it. I'll just push. Yes, it triggers the gateway. It will also trigger the sounder strobe. So let me just do a reset. How do I reset? I push this, then I also reset on the panel. So that is the alarm. Another case, we have the heat alarm, which I don't have a tester for that, so I'll leave it, but you understand what a heat alarm will do. If you don't, ask and I'll be able to respond. Then we have a smoke detector. So for smoke detection, I have a simulation test. So I'll just spray and simulate that we have a fire through the smoke. Let's see if it will trigger the alarm. So it beeps, the smoke tester itself, the smoke sensor beeps, the sounder strobe beeps and flashes red. Then also the gateway will also know which type of alarm. So one alarm smoke at what specific time. Then what do? I'll just reset. I can also just silence. So you, based on which option you want. Remember, this gateway supports network connectivity. It supports 4G connectivity, which means you can also put in a SIM card and connect to your mobile provider and receive these alarms from any location. Then in the next video, I'll show you how we can add this to the Fire workstation, and from the Fire workstation, you receive all this. The Fire workstation has built-in HIK Central for managing fire alarms. So we are also going to explore this in step by step so that you also get a grasp of what you are doing at HIKVISION, making sure that you get the best fire safety solutions in addition to the security solutions. So with HIKVISION, remember we're still focused on the notion, see far and go further. So stay with us and we're going to show you more from HIKVISION. Thank you for following this and stay tuned for more.